And with the icy, snowy conditions widespread throughout south central Pennsylvania, a number of businesses, of course, were closed for the entire day.
Yeah, however, there were a select few that did remain open today. And Fox 43's Gabriel Brown is live in Harrisburg now with a look at what folks there are dealing with and where they might be able to grab a drink and a bite to eat.
Good evening. So right now we are still downtown Harrisburg, the beautiful Capitol right behind me. I have to say it is quite peaceful down here right now. There isn't much going on, and it's been like that most of the day. Just a few cars here and there going by, of course, some plows getting the snow out of the way. And we have some nice gentlemen over here behind me getting the sidewalks cleared off, which I know a lot of people will appreciate tomorrow. Now, despite it being calm and quiet, there were still a few bars and restaurants and businesses that kept their doors open today, including the beloved Midtown Cinema in Midtown Harrisburg. Heavy snow made travel dangerous and difficult Sunday afternoon, keeping many people at home. But inside some local businesses, it was business as usual.
It's definitely more of a choice to be neighborly than a choice to make money, but we wanted to be open and give people a third space, give people a place to come get a beer, come get tickets to see a movie.
Gabriel Brown, Midtown Cinema's assistant manager, says the decision came down to serving the community and supporting employees who wanted the hours.
Everyone who's working today are staff members who walked here. We didn't want to endanger any people on the roads and everything. We told people to stay home if they wanted to. I individually called all the customers who had tickets for today in advance, and I said, please don't come unless you're walking and you really want to be here.
And customers share they're thankful some places chose to stay open.
When I saw on Facebook they were open today, we were like, yeah, we're not gonna be able to go anywhere else. So we knew neighbors were gonna be here, so we've just been here for like a couple hours.
Sydney Klein, who lives in Midtown, is also a law student and had the opportunity to fully embrace the winter weather.
I'm a student and my classes were canceled already on Friday. No Zoom classes either. They said there's nothing happening.
So while the snow is keeping many in, it's also bringing the community together.
We have a great team who was just able to plow our parking lot. I've been shoveling, salting, plowing all day. I just helped a guy push his car out of the intersection that was stuck. We feel like a family here. We want people to feel like family here, and we want to make sure people are safe and warm today especially.
And it was perfect timing. Just 2 seconds ago, a plow went by, and that's still really important. Despite some of these bars and restaurants being open, people are walking, but the roads still can be dangerous. I even saw some icy spots that are obviously going to have to get taken care of in the next few hours to the next day or so. So if you do have to go out and travel, please be careful and be mindful that they are still working to keep our roads safe. Reporting in Harrisburg, Gabriel Brown, Fox 43 News.
All right, Gabriel Brown, thank you so much for that report and for giving us an idea of what Harrisburg is looking like tonight.